and welcome to our presentation of a very special product, a Typescript-based note-taking application. This magic notebook for the digital world is designed to make your life easier and more organized. So let's dive in and see how it works. First of all, let me explain what this application does. So you use a computer to talk to the magic notebook. You type in what you want and it will create, for example, a note. It will show you all the notes you have recorded and whatever you ask it to do, whether it's to edit it or to delete the note, to create a new note, to create a list, it will do those things, and it can be manipulated in such a way that you can always edit those functions. One curious thing that I would like to explain before we dive into everything else is that one thing that TypeScript does is that it basically turns what you do in TypeScript into JavaScript. And you also have the ability to pretty much edit, for example, the TS configuration JSON. This is one of our folders where you can actually edit where the output is going to go. And this is my destination folder. We can actually edit where everything that you compile, where is it going to go. And basically, depending on the type of application that you build or what you do, you can edit where what you generate is going to end up. So I'm going to mention this maybe a little bit later, but for now, let's talk a little bit more about the main few things that we have here on our list. So let's take a quick peek at the very top hero of our presentation here. Let's go to the node in TypeScript. Okay, so this is my node. And what does it do? So basically, the node class, it represents each node with a title, content, and category. Then you can see each one of them. So this is basically the template that's going to be presented to you when you are in the terminal and you enter the program. And since this is a note-taking application, you can record these different features that we have here. So you can give it an ID, you can give it a title, you could record your content, and you can give it a category and create a date of when it was generated. Okay? So now let's go into node service. This is my node service right here. And think of it as a librarian who manages all of our nodes, helping us to create, find, edit, and delete them. And that's pretty much what this does. So now we'll go to our node service. Sorry, I meant to say index. So index, it's basically the engine of this application. And this is where all the magic happens. It's a place where we talk to our application. And if you notice on the code, this is what creates the nodes, this is what edits the nodes, this is how we delete the nodes, the listing of the nodes, and the fetching of the nodes asynchronously. Okay? Now, every node that we create has its unique ID, a title to remind us that it is about some content, and that's the main text of the node, and a category to keep things tidy and organized. So let's go to our node service here. Okay, this is where you add new nodes and you change them and you find something particular that you like, or even if you want to get rid of a node that you don't want anymore, everything happens because of the code that we find right in this page, okay, in this content. Okay, now if we are going to use the program, I'm going to show you right now some of the things that we can do. And let's start by creating a node. So let's run the code first. As you can see, this is the command that we have to put can make it work. We hit enter. Create. So there you go. Now enter node title. Let's call this samples. Enter content. Say San Diego. Sample. Enter category. And there you go. We have created a node, and then we can also edit it. So our ID was 1. Let's enter 1. And we can enter new title. So let's say samples the West. So if you don't want to change anything that we had prior, and if you like it, then you leave it blank. And there you go. We have edited our node. And you can always use the ID to recall it. And we have the other options. So how about if we, for example, delete the node? So let's do that. Let's delete the node. Now it's going to recall it by the ID. Our ID was 1. And we hit enter. That's it. We deleted our node. So it's remarkable. It's a wonderful thing what it does. So if you're looking at a specific node, you can always find it by typing find, and you enter the part of the title, and that's how simple that you can find a node as well, besides the ID. Our Typescript note-taking application is more than just a digital notebook. It's a smart, efficient way to keep our thoughts and our tasks organized with its intuitive command line interface, and it's like having a conversation with your notes. It's easy, it's quick, and it's always helpful. Okay, and that's pretty much what it does. So thank you for joining me in this journey to Typescript note-taking application, and you're always welcome to organize your thoughts, keep track of your tasks, and make your life a little bit easier by using this wonderful application. Typescript rocks. Thanks for watching.